एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करना सर, आपको जब बच्चा है तो आप चालू कर, इस मोड में होगा तो ये दबाते ही ऐसा हो जाएगा।
बोलो सर, बोलो। मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप तक बच्चे लोग?
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मे आई ऑडिबल? हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
यस सर। Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, today we discuss about the sulfonation of naphthylamine, and first compound is naphthenic acids. Okay, ये naphthenic acids and naphthenic acids obtained from the alpha naphthylamine. You see the structure of alpha naphthylamine. When in the alpha position amino group is present, this is the alpha naphthylamine or 1-amino naphthalene, and it is this naphthenic acid is obtained from the 1-amino naphthalene or alpha naphthylamine. It is obtained by heating the naphthylamine with acid sulfate. That is a sulfuric acid mixed with the 3% of its weight of oxalic acids and at 170 to 180 degrees centigrade in the vacuum under pressure, and we get the naphthenic acids. Here you see this is the alpha naphthylamines, and when it is treated with the mixed acids, conc H2SO4 and 3% of oxalic acids, and it forms the naphthenic acids. Means in the first positions amino group is already present in the alpha naphthylamine, and in the fourth position, that is a para position, sulfonic group is introduced, and this is the naphthenic acid. And this naphthenic acid is very important intermediates which are used in the manufacturing of azo dyes. And for example, you can see this is the naphthenic acids. This is the one molecule of naphthenic acids, and this is the another molecule of naphthenic acids. Means two molecule of naphthenic acids were coupled with diazotized benzidine. What is a benzidine? When two benzene rings are attached together with the amino groups, that is a benzidine, and that amino groups goes under the both amino groups goes under the titration process, and it forms the tetraazotized benzidine. Means ये benzidine जब diazotized करेंगे तो ये tetraazotized benzidine बन जाएगा, and this tetraazotized benzidine coupled with two molecule of naphthenic acids. Here you see that this is the naphthenic acids, one molecules, and this is the another molecules, and this is the coupling positions with respect to amino groups. This is the ortho positions, and here you see this is the ortho positions with respect to amino groups, and these tetraazotized benzidines coupled with these ortho positions, and it forms the dyes. And you see these tetraazotized benzidines coupled here. This is the ortho positions in the first molecules of naphthenic acids, and here this is the ortho positions. Here it attached with the another molecule of naphthenic acids, and hence we prepared or manufactured the Congo red, after coupling with the two molecule of naphthenic acids and tetraazotase benzidine. And this is the direct azodiaz and this is the desazodiaz, because one azo group is here and another azo group is here. So this is the example of desazodiaz, and we get the azodiaz by the use of naphthenic acids as intermediates, and this is the diazotized components with which it couples and forms the azodiaz. And another is orthonaphthenic acids. Orthonaphthenic acids. It is obtained by heating of its sodium salt with the 4 parts of naphthalene at 200 degrees centigrade for few hours. And you see this is the naphthenic acids, and when treated with the alkali, it forms this one naphthenic acids, and is 4 part of naphthalene at 200 degrees Celsius for few hours, and you get the orthonaphthenic acids. And now this is the synthesis of Perry acids, P-E-R-I, Perry acids and Laurent acids. And this is the Perry acid, alpha naphthylamine, 8 sulfonic acids. This is the alpha naphthylamine and 8 sulfonic acid, that is the Perry acids. And alpha naphthylamine and 5 sulfonic acid is Laurent acids. And these are prepared by cold nitration and subsequent reduction of naphthalene, alpha sulfonic acids. This is the structure of alpha naphthalene sulfonic acids. Means at the position of alpha or at the position of 1, this is the sulfonic group is present. So this is the alpha naphthalene sulfonic acids or 1 sulfonic naphthalenes. And these alpha naphthalene sulfonic acids, when treated with the HNO3 and H2SO4, then we get this one, Laurent acids and Perry acids. Okay, and the amino group is present in the 1 position and sulfonic group is present at the position, and it is the Perry acids. Means alpha naphthylamine 8 sulfonic acids. Okay, and second, this is the alpha naphthylamine, and this is the position 5th, 1-5 positions. So that we can get the 2 type of products, Laurent acid and Perry acids. And these alpha naphthalene sulfonic acids treated with the H2SO4 and HNO3 goes under the nitrations, and we get the this nitro product. Means at the position of 1 we introduce the nitro groups, so that this is the 1 nitro naphthalene or alpha nitro naphthalenes, and this is the sulfonic acid at the 5 positions. And here also nitro, and then sulfonic group goes to the 8 positions. So, and these both products goes under the reduction in presence of SnSCLs, that is the teen and acids, in presence of acids, and we get the Laurent acid and Perry acids. And this is the structure of Laurent acids and Perry acids. Means by the alpha naphthyl sulfonic acids, after nitration we introduce the nitro group at the first positions, and after reductions these nitro groups convert into the amino groups after reduction in presence of iron or SN in presence of tin salt, tin NaCls, or in presence of iron NaCls. This nitro group converted into the amino group, that is after reduction it will take place, so that we get this one. This is the periacids, that is nitro group converted into the amino groups, and here also nitro group converted into the amino groups. But difference in at the 8 positions when sulfonic groups is introduced, it becomes the periacids, and when sulfonic group was introduced into the 5 position, this is the Laurent acids. Periacid is separated as sodium salt from the Laurent acids and used in the formation of its normal phenyl and normal toluene derivatives as an end components for manufacturing of dark azo dyes. Means all these compounds are used for the manufacturing of azo dyes. Azo dyes means dyes having the azo groups. And dyes are, what is definition of dyes? Dyes are aromatic organic compounds, and it consists of 2 groups. One is chromophore and another is oxochrome. It is already discussed in the initial classes. Both groups are present, then it becomes the dyes. For example, if any organic groups contains the coloring groups, that is azo groups, nitro groups, nitroso groups, these are chromophoric groups. When this group is present, and another group is oxochrome, like the sulfonic groups. If sulfonic group is present, then it becomes the dyes. So in case of, you can see in case of Congo red, you see the structure of Congo red. You see, these are sulfonic groups, okay? And these are amino groups. Both are oxochrome groups. And these are azo groups. These are chromophoric groups. Chromophoric groups means group responsible for coloring of the materials. So this chromophore as well as oxochrome is present. So these compounds is become dye. So in case of all dyes, we have aromatic compounds must contain the both groups. And now we discuss about the manufacturing of Clavis acids. This is the alpha naphthylamine 6-sulfonic acids. Clavis acid is formed with the alpha naphthylamine 6-sulfonic acids, and these are prepared by nitration Clavis acid is formed with the alpha naphthylamine 6-sulfonic acid. ये साथ में बनता है. And these are prepared by the nitration of naphthalene beta sulfonic acids, followed by reduction with the SN and SCLs. This is the naphthalene structure, and at the position of beta position sulfonic group is present. So this is the naphthalene beta sulfonic acids. And this naphthalene beta sulfonic acids goes under the nitrations, and nitro group is introduced in the alpha positions. And you can see here the nitro group is present in the alpha positions, and at the 6th position sulfonic group is present. And in the another structure, it is sulfonic group goes to the 7th positions. And after reduction of both compounds, and we get a nitro group converted to the amino groups, okay? And we can get these compounds 1-naphthylamine and 6-sulfonic acids, and these are Clavis acids. And another compound is amino and 7 at the position of 7s, and this is the alpha naphthyl 7 sulfonic acid. This is the clavy acids, and along with clavy acid, this is the alpha naphthyl amine 6 sulfonic acid is formed. Both are important for azodiaz used as the intermediates, and it forms the tris azodiaz. And now alpha naphthylamine 3,6-disulfonic acids, and this is prepared by the nitration and subsequent reductions of naphthalene, naphthalene 2,7-disulfonic acids. And this is the naphthalene 2,7-disulfonic acids, and it goes under the nitrations, and nitro group is introduced into the 4 positions, and after reductions in presence of iron NaCl or SN NaCl, and it converted to the amino groups alpha naphthylamine 3,6-disulfonic acids, and this is the Freund acids, and it is used for the preparation of black azodiaz and suitable for dyeing of wool fiber. And next is alpha naphthylamine or 1 amino naphthalenes 3,6,8-trisulfonic acids, and it is obtained by sulfonation of naphthalene, and you see this the naphthalenes, and it goes under the sulfonation process in presence of oleum at 180 degrees centigrade, and we get the naphthalene 3,6,8-trisulfonic acids. And after nitrations, nitro group is introduced into the first positions, and 1 nitro, and you see the first, second, third and 6 and 8 positions, 3,6,8-trisulfonic acids. And after reduction, these nitro groups are converted to the amino groups. You see, this is the amino groups, and 3 and 6 and 8 positions sulfonic group is percent, and this is the Koch acids, and 1 naphthylamine 3,6-trisulfonic acid is formed. This is the Koch acids, and after fusion in presence of alkali at high temperature, it is converted into the sodium salt of these Koch acids, and after acidifications, this phenolate group converted to the hydroxyl group or alcoholic groups, and this is the H acids. H acid is very important intermediates which are used for manufacturing of direct dyes and reactive dyes. And these amino groups is very important in the manufacturing of reactive dyes. When this H acid is treated with the cyanuric chlorides, the cyanuric chlorides attach with these groups and form the NH. This NH2 one hydrogen atoms react with the cyanuric chlorides. Cyanuric chlorides are, this is the in benzene rings. In the benzene ring, 3 carbon atom is removed, and 3 nitrogen atom is introduced. This is the heterocyclic molecules, and a bond is formed CN, C, CN, C, means मतलब 3 कार्बन इंट्रोड्यूस, 3 कार्बन हट जाएगा और 3 नाइट्रोजन आ जाएगा, तो कार्बन और नाइट्रोजन के बीच में क्या है, ये बॉन्ड बन जाएगा और दैट इज एजीन बॉन्ड, तो ट्राइएजीन रिंग कहलाता है। और इसके अंदर क्या ग्रुप एटम तीनों है, उस पर क्लोरीन एटम रहेगा, तो ये स्ट्रक्चर साइनरिक क्लोराइड्स का होगा, और एक क्लोरीन एटम एमिनो ग्रुप से जो है ना कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शंस होगा यहाँ पर, तो HCl निकल जाएगा, NH के साथ वो जुड़ जाएगा। तो एजो कंपाउंड्स के साथ जब ये चीजें जुड़ जाती है, H एसिड और साइनरिक क्लोराइड्स, देन इट बिकम द रिएक्टिव डाइज। sulfonation of beta naphthylamine or synthesis of beta naphthylamine sulfonic acids. You see in this the beta, in the beta positions amino group is present, so beta naphthylamine, and this beta naphthylamine goes under the sulfonation process with H2SO4. So here we write here the plus conc H2SO4, means beta naphthylamine react with the sulfuric acids and goes under the sulfonation process, and there are different products or forms. You see this is the beta positions in the all naphthalene molecules, this is the beta positions, ये तो फिक्स हो गया. उसके बाद देखो सल्फोनिक एसिड्स, अब यहाँ पर सल्फोनिक एसिड्स में कहाँ जा रहा है, इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है सल्फोनिक ग्रुप 5th पोजीशन पे, यहाँ पर 7th पोजीशन पे हो रहा, और यहाँ पे 6th पोजीशन पे हो रहा, और यहाँ पे 8th पोजीशन पे हो रहा. तो ये डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं बाय द सल्फोनेशन ऑफ बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन. तो पहला प्रोडक्ट हो गया कि अब यहाँ पर जो है बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन ये हो गया +5 सल्फोनिक एसिड, मतलब 2,5 प्रोडक्ट बन गया. वैसे ये सल्फोनिक ग्रुप चला गया 7 पोजीशन पे, तो 2,7 प्रोडक्ट्स बोल देंगे इसको. ये यहाँ पे 2,6 प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है, और यहाँ पर जो है ना 2,8 प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है. अब ये बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन को या 2-नैप्थाइलएमीन 8 सल्फोनिक एसिड, 2-नैप्थाइलएमीन 6 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स, 2-नैप्थाइलएमीन 7 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स, 2-नैप्थाइलएमीन 5 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स, इस तरह से ये प्रोडक्ट बनेंगे. अब दूसरा देखो बीटा पोजीशन पे, अब यहाँ पर ये 6 पोजीशन पे, तो ये 5 पोजीशन पे, तो 2,5 प्रोडक्ट्स है. इसमें कॉन्क H2SO4 ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर देखो डायसल्फोनिक एसिड्स बन रहा है. पहले पोजीशन पे सल्फोनिक ग्रुप इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ, और ये ऑलरेडी पहले से है ही. तो ये क्या है, बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन, और ये फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे, और ये 5th पोजीशन, तो 1,5 डायसल्फोनिक एसिड्स बन गया. यहाँ पर वैसे यहाँ पर बीटा पोजीशन पे है ही, और ये 5th है और 7th पे, तो बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन और 2-नैप्थाइलएमीन 5,7 डायसल्फोनिक एसिड्स बन गया. अब इसके अंदर ये देखो यहाँ पर, अब ये दोनों में से कोई भी कंपाउंड आएगा, तो आप जब H2SO4 से ट्रीट करेंगे तो डायसल्फोनिक से ये ट्राइसल्फोनिक एसिड्स हो जाएगा. अब ये फर्स्ट पोजीशन है, ये 5th पोजीशन है, ये 7th पोजीशन है, तो बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन अब 1 पोजीशन 1,5,7 पे सल्फोनिक है, 1,5,7 ट्राइसल्फोनिक एसिड्स बन गया. उसी तरह से यहाँ पर ये देख लो, ये बीटा पोजीशन पे है, और यहाँ पर ये जो है ना 3rd है, 5th है और 7th है, तो 3,5,7 पे ट्राइसल्फोनिक एसिड्स बन गया. अब इसमें देखो ये दूसरा कंपाउंड्स है 2-नैप्थाइलएमीन 7 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स. अब इसके जो है ना, इसमें 25% ये बन रहा है, ये प्रोडक्ट बीटा पोजीशन पे नैप्थाइलएमीन है ही, 1,5 पोजीशन पे सल्फोनिक ग्रुप चला गया, तो बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन 1,5 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स बन रहा है. यहाँ पर बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन 4,7 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स हो रहा है, और ये दोनों 25% बन रहा है. और ये वाला जो प्रोडक्ट है बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन 5,7 डायसल्फोनिक एसिड, ये 50% बन रहा है. और इसके बाद फिर ये देखो बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन 6 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स है, तो ये बीटा नैप्थाइल 6 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स when goes under the sulfonation reaction with the conc H2SO4, it forms the 1 पोजीशन पे इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है सल्फोनिक एसिड्स, और 6 पोजीशन पे है, तो 2-नैप्थाइलएमीन 1,6 डायसल्फोनिक एसिड फॉर्म हो रहा है. अब यहाँ पर बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन 8 सल्फोनिक एसिड्स है, फिर उसके बाद फिर इसका सल्फोनेशन होगा, ये 6-8 पे पोजीशन पे चला गया. तो यहाँ पर पहले से 8 पोजीशन पे था, ये 6 पे एक इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया, तो ये बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन 6,8 डायसल्फोनिक एसिड्स हो गया. उसके बाद इसी तरह से इस पे 3-6-8 3 पोजीशन पे आ रहा है आफ्टर सल्फोनेशंस. ये पहले वाले में 2 तो था ही, एक इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया, तो ये जो है ना बीटा नैप्थाइलएमीन 3,6,8 ट्राइसल्फोनिक एसिड्स बन गया. नेक्स्ट इज twice acids. It is obtained by heating 2 naphthol 1 sulfonic acids with ammonia and ammonium sulfates at 150 degrees centigrade at 80 atmospheric pressures for 30 hours. This is a very slow reactions. And you see the in the naphthalenes, when alcoholic group is introduced, this is the beta naphthols. And along with beta naphthols, these are sulfonic groups present in the alpha position. So 2 naphthals, that is a beta naphthols, and 1 sulfonic acids. And this beta naphthol 1 sulfonic acids, when goes under the aminations in presence of ammonia and ammonium sulfates at 150 degrees centigrade at 10 atmospheric pressures, and time is 30 hours. Then we get the twice acids, 2 naphthylamine sulfonic acids, this is the example of nucleophilic substitutions, and it is used for manufacturing of azo color lacs. Azo color lacs means when we print the material on the cotton fabric, it reacts with the in presence of mordant. Mordants are metallic oxides, and it forms the colors and fix the natural dyes. So, and when it fix after treatment with the mordant, that is metallic oxides, it forms a lacs. That is known as lacs. And these are Bonner acids, and it is obtained by treating 2 naphthylamine with the thrice of its weight of conc H2SO4 at 160 to 180 degrees centigrade for 2 hours, and separated as sodium salts. And beta naphthylamines is treated with the H2SO4 at 160 to 180 degrees centigrade for 2 hours, and this the Bronner's acid is formed. And this the Casella acids when sulfonic groups go to the 7th positions, and both are formed. This can be used as end component for the azo dyes. लड़के बहुत कमाए थे, क्या बात है? अटेंडेंस ठीक है? हेलो,
क्या सर?
अटेंडेंस भेज देना आप लोग.
हेलो
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
स्क्रीनशॉट भेजेंगे उनको.
हाँ, ये 6 लड़के आए आज. हेलो.